2.
Hello, I'm Kaitlyn, and I did my non-infectious disease assignment on cystic fibrosis. So cystic fibrosis is a recessive autosomal genetic disorder that affects chloride ion channels that act as a passage between the inside of a cell and the surrounding tissues. A mutation to the gene controlling channel protein production on the 7th autosome causes the disease, when the CFTR, or cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator segment, is deleted, meaning that an amino acid is not produced and the protein is incomplete and ineffective. Since it's a recessive gene, only 1 out of 4 people are affected if both of their parents are an unaffected carrier, as you can see. It affects 1 in every 2,000 people, and it varies within ethnic groups, affecting 1 in every 3,300 Caucasians and 1 in every 9,500 Hispanics. 70% of patients have a defective channel protein. In the remaining, the protein channel fails to bind ATP or function properly when the ATP binds, meaning that there is a decreased chloride ion secretion out of cells and increased sodium into cells. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is an organic molecule found in all living organisms and is responsible for the energy that drives the active transport of sodium and potassium into and out of cells. The cells then begin to excrete thick, viscous mucus. So a normal cell membrane will function like this. The ATP here will break off, releasing energy, enabling active transport to occur. As you can see, the sodium and the potassium ions are moving into and out of the cell. So in cystic fibrosis sufferers, either this ATP does not reach the cell or the binding site does not exist. So the mucus produced by the cells affects various organs, including the lungs, pancreas, skin, liver, intestines, and reproductive organs. In cystic fibrosis sufferers, a buildup of thick, viscous mucus occurs in many organs of the body, but the most affected of these is the lungs. 90% of deaths are due to the effect of the mucus on the respiratory system, as the mucus is highly prone to infection. Shortness of breath often results, however inhaled drugs are available to provide some relief for this. And as you can see, this is a normal lung with no mucus buildup, so respiration is able to occur, whereas this one over here, the mucus is built up, so patients have difficulty respirating. Pancreas is also affected. The mucus blocks up the ducts that release bile salts and digestive enzymes, so the digestion of fats and fat-soluble vitamins are not thoroughly digested and absorbed. Deficiencies in vitamins A, D, E, and K result, which cause disorders such as night blindness, vitamin A deficiency, rickets, which is a vitamin D deficiency, skin disorders, which is a vitamin E deficiency, and excessive bleeding due to a vitamin K deficiency. Diabetes may also often result. So if this is the pancreas, the mucus generally blocks up these ducts, so when the food from the stomach comes into this to go into the small intestine, the bile isn't able to mix with the food and digest it properly. At present, there is no cure for cystic fibrosis. However, treatment is available to increase the quality of life and life expectancy of sufferers. There are 2 main areas that need to be considered. The lungs. Treatment of the lungs includes antibiotics to prevent infection, inhaled medicines to open the airways, flu and pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine, or PPV, yearly, and DNase enzyme replacement therapy, which thins mucus, making it easier to cough up. Daily physiotherapy is common to help prevent the accumulation of mucus in the lungs, and in some severe cases, lung transplantation may be an option. In the pancreas, to assist in the absorption of nutrients, a diet high in protein and low in fat is highly recommended, as well as vitamin A, D, E, and K supplements, as the bile from the pancreas is unable to help fully digest foods containing these nutrients. Research into gene therapy is ongoing to find a cure for cystic fibrosis, possibly by inserting a functional copy of the defective gene. As well as this, developments in drugs that may assist the ion transport mechanism are also currently being studied. Thank you.